Well, Freud is important to human psychology because he was the first person he was very serious about talking to a person, and the talking is a cure. So the patients who came to Freud were suffering from some problem, but the problems were not some traditional physical problem. Sometimes, though, they had some problem like some arm pain, and they visited doctors a lot, and the doctors could not find some physical cause to the arm pain. Uh, it was very strange. When he was talking to them, he discovered after talking, their arm felt better, for example. So Freud began to realize, oh my goodness, a lot of these people suffering is a psychological problem. And they are coming to me, he thought, because they are suffering from some problem that needs this talking. That's why Freud is important for the history of psychology. And Jacques Lacan wants to talk about Freud's theory of the ego here because the ego before Freud just meant I. Actually, Freud never used the word ego. It is a little confusing these days to talk about the ego. Now it is some special word, but when Freud wrote about the ego, he just used the word ich, I, the I. Before Freud, people thought about oneself, the I, as this unified thing. But he began to speculate, I think the reason these people are suffering from problems is they have some part of themselves they have not accepted. So even though they walk around with their public self and they say I, they have something deep inside them, and they are not revealing this part of their personality in their everyday life. And this conflict between something deep inside of them, something that is not conscious, and their I, this is making a conflict. So, okay, the purpose of Jacques Lacan's second seminar is to talk about this theory of the I. What does Freud mean when he uses this word, and how does it relate to some kind of unconscious thought or unconscious feeling, unconscious complex that uh, someone is experiencing? So that's the purpose of Jacques Lacan's second seminar, and that is what he introduces in the first chapter.